Factory Underground Tech is a nationally accredited school of music recording, audio production, and sound engineering, located in the historic Wall Street neighborhood of downtown Norwalk, Connecticut. We are centrally located between New York City and Boston, and are less than an hour from New York City via Metro North. Factory Underground Tech's unique method of education combines private instruction with hands-on resume-building project experience. Our students gain working experience and studio credits, along with advanced knowledge of recording and production. Factory Underground Tech's teaching staff is composed of music industry professionals and certified experts in the field of studio recording and audio production. Our curriculum includes our flagship 20-week Artist Essentials course, perfect for anyone who is interested in a career in the exciting field of studio recording, with shorter introductory courses available. Budding musicians may also be interested in our elective courses in songwriting, vocal production, keyboard technique, video production, video editing, and even music business. Custom courses may even be built around producing and recording your own music. The Factory Underground Tech facility includes professionally equipped recording studios with top-of-the-line equipment, student labs, a live music soundstage, rehearsal rooms, a student lounge and coffee bar, and a student-curated radio station. Call now to book an interview with a member of our administration team and come tour our facilities.